Hey there! Today we're diving into the ultimate Bluetooth calling AMOLED display smartwatch showdown. We'll compare two of the best options on the market, the Kieslect Kr versus Mibro T1, and check out their amazing features. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. Oh, and before we get started, if you enjoy this video and want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. Don't be one of the 98% of viewers who miss out on all the fun. Join our community now. Hope this video will get the info you needed. Subscribe us to know more, live more.